Hello students, in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can ask a user to input some value and then you store that value in the Matlab script. Like I'm going to create input user or user input, whatever you like to be the name of that function or that script. So sometime within the programming we need to get some user from the input, like if I write a is equal to 10, so the content of this variable a will remain fixed. While this code get execute, the value of a will be 10, but we can also ask the user to insert some value, like I'm going to ask the user to input value, please enter a number. When I will execute this line of code, what you are going to see is the content of A is 10, while the content of B is nothing. Whenever I will enter a value, then the content of the B variable will be updated. So if I execute this again, you will see that within the variable B I can even store a character, like I have stored F within that variable, and the data type of that variable has automatically converted into character. Similarly, you'll see that if I am writing a complex I am forward, I have written a string of characters, and you can see that it has been stored over there in the character string array of B. So now I'm going to enter another content, like I can store uh, a matrix within the variable B. So you can, through this way, you can ask the user to insert whatever content they like to insert within the variable B. So this content will be stored, and the data type and dimensionality of the variable will be updated according to the content that you have entered. So while you are dealing with the complex Matlab programming task, sometimes you need to uh, ask the user to insert some content within the variable. So if you know that the basic skill, that how you can ask the user and how you can get the user input from keyboard or some stuffs like that, then how you can store and what type of character or what type of content you can store in the variable, in the user input variable. So this was all about the user input method. Thank you so much for being with us.